Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable or remove there is no disk in drive error message. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand control. Click Windows. Open error mode. Change value data to 2. Check base to decimal, OK. Close and exit registry editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.